Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julia Oliverius and today I want to do a little comparison. So I'm going to use on this eye here, which is my right eye, I am going to use my normal mascara. It's an amazing volumizing mascara. It's water resistant, so not waterproof, but you know, if you sweat, get splashed in the face, probably not gonna run, feel tears, you're gonna be all right. And on this eye, I'm going to try the new waterproof mascara, which of course is completely waterproof. You can go underwater, rub your eyes, it's not going to come off, but it does come off very nicely and easily actually with makeup remover cloth. So what I'm doing today is just kind of comparing the shades of black. Sometimes, you know, the shades can be different. And I'm also just going to compare the overall volume and how they look. So another cool thing that you can do too, and I'll show you at the end, is if you have a regular mascara at home that you really like, or of course if you want to try this one, you can always put this on first and then just do a top coat of the waterproof mascara to make it waterproof, okay? So, like I said, on this eye, let's do my regular mascara, and we're just gonna do one coat for demonstration purposes today. So let's put this on. So I like to just kind of get it on there, and then I like to just do like a little swirl at the base, get off more of that mascara, and then wiggle it through the tips. And I also like to do a nice little slow blink and really help fan those lashes out using the bristles on the brush or the wand. Okay, so that's just one coat of my regular mascara. And now on this eye, we're going to do one coat of the waterproof mascara. So again, I'm just going to kind of get it on all of the lashes to start with. And then I'll do the little swirl and wiggle up with a slow blink to help get off any of that extra mascara. It's really important. I mean, you have to be careful. Of course, you won't poke yourself in the eye. But try to get the mascara as close to the base as you can and really all the way through the tips, because what I find for a lot of people is they're not happy with their mascara. And sometimes it is a product issue, but also sometimes it's just that they're not getting it on their eyelashes enough. So just go slow, take your time, and really get that mascara on there. Oops. Okay, so there is our, what did I do to get that on my eyelash? Or my eyelid? Let's see, let me touch that up real quick. Cool. All right. So there is just a quick comparison. I think that the regular mascara that I use is a little bit more volumizing, but if you look up close, the color is really good. It's a really nice black on the waterproof. Sometimes colors can be a little bit different when you're working with a waterproof versus, you know, a regular, just because, simply because the formulas are different. I like them both. I think they both look nice, but that's just a nice little close-up comparison. And I'll do, I did a before picture, and I'll take an after picture and label them so you guys know which is which. All right. So if you have questions about them, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.